Good day, everyone. This is Ruana Mayrez, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so welcome everyone. So for today's video, we're still discussing about parabola. But in this parabola, our vertex will be at H and K. With this, we have still the same properties with the center at the origin. So we need to find its vertex, focus, directrix, axis of symmetry, and its concavity or the opening. So these are the different properties with the different equation. So if our equation is y minus k squared is equal to 4a times x minus h, then our directrix would be x is equal to h minus a. Then our focus is h plus a and k. So and so on. So as you can see, these are the properties here. So I will just read the equations. So I want you to familiarize with these four equations because this is very important, especially when you are analyzing or finding the different properties of the given equation. In this parabola with the vertex h and k. So that was the first one. Then the second is y minus k squared is equal to negative 4a times x minus h. So as you can recall, if our y squared is into a negative, therefore the concavity is open to the left. Then here the third equation, we have x minus h squared is equal to 4a times y minus k. Since our x squared here is in the y-axis, therefore, and it's still it is a positive, therefore its concavity will be open upward. Then the fourth equation is x minus h squared is equal to negative 4a times y minus k. Since our x squared here is negative, therefore it will be open downward. So you need to familiarize this equations and of course those different properties in order for you to easily understand or recognize the different properties na you need to put in the blank or box. So it is the easy way in order for you to graph the parabola with the vertex h and k. Alright, so now let's try these equations. So we have y minus 1 squared is equal to 4 times x minus 2. So this equation is y minus k squared is equal to 4a times x minus h. So first, we need to identify or to find out its h and k, which is our vertex. So it is easily to determine where is the vertex here. So since we have here y minus 1 and 1 will be the representative of our k. So here's the thing. If our k here is a negative, when you changed it into a point, you need to make the negative sign to positive. So since it is y, therefore the value of our vertex here is 2 and 1 because the value of our x here, which is x minus h, wherein our h is negative 2. So our vertex would be 2 and 1. So that's how you identify the h and k. Now let's find the value of our focus. So same process with the center at origin. We need to find the value of our a. We're in n over 4. So 4 divided by 4, it is 1. So we have the formula of finding our f, which is a plus h and k. Since we have the value of our h and k, we are now able to compute this form and find out what is the value of our focus. So our a is 1 and our h here is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then the value of our k is 1. So our focus would be 3 and 1. See, that's how easy to find if we know the formula. Alright, so now let's find the value of our directrix. So we have here x is equal to negative a plus h. So since we know the value of our a, so we have here negative 1 plus the value of our h, which is 2. So negative 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So therefore our directrix is 1. Next, let's find out its axis of symmetry. So it's very simple because y is equal to k. Since we know the value of our k, we're able to find the value of our axis of symmetry, which is 1. So it's very simple. So lastly, we need to find its concavity or its opening. So since our equation is y minus k squared is equal to 4a times x minus h, and it is positive, so our concavity would be open to the right. So pretty simple. And this is how we graph those properties. So as you can see, the vertex is over here, 2 and 1. And our focus is over here, 3 and 1. Then our directrix is here, which is 1. And our axis of symmetry is 1. Then its concavity is open to the right.